This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm so delighted to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over the keys of A flat major and F minor. Those are relative keys that have 4 flats in the key signature: B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Once I've gone over where these notes are located, so we've reviewed where they're located in first position on the guitar, then we'll work on playing the A flat major scale together and the F minor scale together. We'll do that right along with drums accompaniment, which is super helpful and makes it just a little bit more fun. This video accompanies lesson 20 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to start on page 126. We'll be on pages 126 through 128 doing exercises 1 through 8. Those exercises are the exercises where we'll be playing these scales, so it's going to be great. Okay, so here we go. B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. We've actually used all of these before. We've used a key signature that's had B flat, E flat, and A flat. So we've done 3 flats before in the key signature, but we have read D flat as an accidental in melodies before. So we've done all these, but let's review where they're located. We know that on the guitar that any flatted version of a note is 1 fret lower than the natural version. So if we know where the natural notes are, which we do because we worked on them so much, then the flat is just 1 fret lower. When it comes to the open strings, though, there isn't a lower fret. So what do? We go to the 4th fret of the string that's just lower than it. We do that for every one except for going from the 2nd string to the 3rd string. And that one, we only go to the 3rd fret. So when we go to the 3rd string, we go to the 3rd fret instead of the 4th. And that's because the 4th fret actually is the same note as the open 2nd string. Okay, so if we look at these, if we start off with B flat here, we've got a B flat at the 1st fret of the 5th string and at the 3rd fret of the 3rd string. So B natural happens at the 2nd fret of the 5th string. We go down to that 1st fret on the 5th string, and we have the open B string at the 2nd. The open 2nd string is the B, a B note. It's the B string. So we go down to the 3rd fret of the 3rd string for that B flat. So that's the B flats. E flat. We have 3 E notes on the guitar in first position. We've got that low 6th string, but we don't have a flat to go to. That's why that one's not here up here on the board. But we have the E natural at the 2nd fret of the 4th string. We go down to the 1st fret for E flat. And then we've got the open top string is an E. We go down to the 4th fret of that 2nd string for E flat. So 1st fret of the 4th string and 4th fret of that 2nd string for E flat. For A flat, we've got 3 of them. We've got the open 5th string that's an A note, so we go down to the 4th fret of the 6th string for A flat. And then we've got the A note that's at the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. We go down to the 1st fret for A flat. And then we have the A note that's at the 5th fret on the top string, and we go down to the 4th fret to play A flat. So 4th fret of the 6th string, 1st fret of the 3rd string, and 4th fret of the top string for our A flat notes. For D flat, we have that open 4th string that's a D natural, so down to the 5th string of the 4th fret for D flat. And then we have a D natural at the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, so down to the 2nd fret of that string for D flat. So 4th fret of the 5th string, 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and we've got our D flat notes. All the other notes are played naturally. So let's take a look at playing these scales. We'll start off with A flat major. We'll start off with number 1 on page 126. We're going to start off with the lowest root, which is at the 4th fret of the 6th string. We'll play all the way up to the A flat that's at the top string. We come down to that A flat again, then we play down to G, F, G, and back to A flat. That covers all the notes in the range of first position. Of course, we're going to keep that index finger in the 1st fret, middle in the 2nd, ring in the 3rd, and pinky in the 4th. As we play these open strings, we will play as open strings. We'll start off by doing 4 plucks per note with alternate picking like we've been doing. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. Then we'll do 3, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You could also do that one with the down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. It's good to practice both. In the video, I'll just be doing the first option. I won't go and do it both ways, but you could practice it both ways right along with me. With number 3, we go to 2 plucks, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. And with number 4, just 1 pluck, down, up, and so on and so forth. Then we do the same thing with the F minor scale. Of course, with the F minor scale, we'll start on that F. It's at the 1st fret, the low 6th string. We'll play all the way up to the A flat, and we'll come back down. So we'll start with 4 plucks, then 3 plucks, then 2 plucks, then 1 pluck. Each one of these is going to happen twice, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. We'll do it right along with drums. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, fantastic. In the next couple of videos, we are going to play melodies in the key of A flat major. So we get to practice playing melodies with this key signature. It's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.